Because I need content! Hey, so I bought something off of the Hot Wheels X Herschel collab, and let's open it. Why not? I don't know what to do. We got a card saying thank you. And I think that's all it says. It says welcome to the community of travelers. My friend said that Herschel company is really good, and I just decided, you know what, why not? I'm trying to look up at the camera because I want y'all to see what I'm doing. It was really nicely packaged in the, whatchamacallit, the bag. I took it out of the bag because it has personal information, and no, you can't see it. So look, I got this. I'll probably put some better pictures of it maybe later. Probably not. I'm too lazy actually. But yeah. So what am I doing? Just opening it up. Just want to see what it is. Don't think there is anything else left in there. It's got like a pocket. I couldn't afford the backpack, so I just got the toolkit because I was like, I just want the toolkit. Maybe I could use this for my car and just have it as a nice toolkit. So yeah, that's what I did. You can see the Hot Wheels Land Rover thing plus Herschel. Okay, you can't really see the Herschel maybe. And it says it on the front of it too. Got a lot of bright lights. Anyway, and it's got all these 10, and that's supposed to be the number that they have. So there you go on the Land Rover. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. I've never done this show. Why not? Ooh, it came with the car. It came with the car. I didn't think it came with the car. Someone said it did, but I didn't believe them. Because the car sold out in seconds, which, by the way, it was just a mainline. But you know what? I got something with the car that was also $30, so this was a better deal. Like, this was a way better deal. I actually got 2 things instead of 1. Looky there. Wow. Look at that. I didn't think I got it, but there you go. I'm trying to look at my screen at the same time as y'all see this. It's pretty sweet, actually. It's nice that if it came with something, which was the problem with the Mattel Creations release when they sold out on their website, was that they didn't sell anything else, but they sold this for $25. This whole thing was $35, so it's just, it's kind of messed up. We'll save this for last, so I'll show you the toolkit first. Like all the inner lining is really cool. So there you go, there's some of that. I like this. I wanted this one a lot actually. Not only because the backpack, you couldn't really see all that fun like inner lining stuff, but you could see it all on this. So like you have the drivetrain here. There you go. And you got the back of the car, this side. And you got the back tires. This is the other part. Not sure what the other part is actually. Oh, it's a pocket, so it goes in. So the design continues through the pocket. And it has the Hot Wheels tags right there. Hot Wheels and Herschel, and I wonder if it has a Land Rover one too. No, just Hot Wheels and Herschel. It's still cool. It's still cool. Yeah. So I guess that's it for that piece. Now we get to see what the car's like. I didn't think I was gonna get a car until I think Uncle the Bob told me. So how do I open this? There we go. I'm so sorry, I'm not interesting, am I? Okay, not interesting either. Ooh, that's nicely packaged at least. It's basically you paid like $30 for a display case. But it's nice that you get something with it. If you bought something from the Herschel Supply Company, it makes a lot more sense that this came with it as a mainline than like a premium. But it made no sense to buy a mainline off with the same money as a premium RLC. You know, I don't know why they released it this way. I think they should have just released it on Herschel's website, but I don't think people knew. So Herschel actually had a good amount of time before they even sold out. Well, Nolo, I'm sorry man, you didn't get it. So you didn't get the backpack you wanted. Anyway. Okay, so here we go. There we go. There we go. Go, go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go. I actually didn't know this was gonna come with it. And although it is just a mainline in terms of quality, it's still, I think, just metal and plastic. Yeah, metal and plastic. The paint job is really nice, actually. So, nice paint job. My camera can't show it because it's just a web camera. But, yeah, maybe I'll put in some pictures of it with a better camera so you can see the look of it. I'll put some, like... You can kind of see it. Oh, look, you can see my web camera. It's very reflective, which is nice that they kept it that nice. I love the paint on the headlights here. That's actually painted, so that's nice, really nice. And all the Land Rover stuff is really nice because it's really small, and they usually don't print small, so that's nice. And in the back, like by the tire, you can kind of see it. Oh, wrong way. I have to do this backwards because it's mirrored on my screen. You can kind of see it, but it's right there. They have a little Land Rover, little one. So that's really cool. The top is painted. It's a really nice paint job, actually. I did bash it a little bit, not gonna lie, because of the hypebeast stuff. I did bash it a little bit, so I won't lie about that. Anyway, that's really all I got. So yeah. Like, subscribe, follow me on everything, basically. If you haven't already, follow. It's literally in the description. Buy the merch. And hope you have a great day, guys. See ya. Hello? You're in on my recording.
If you want, you can put on bloopers. ABC 2019 on all platforms.
Okay, cool.
Thank you very much.
Sweet. Thanks, sis. Thank you.